Hey guys, I'm back again. Got you guys update. I am ready to take a good nap. I'm so tired. I was just oh god, guys. We'll go to the channel right now. I'm going to put both channels of it to there with my NASCAR naming and Nipper Sky, both channels to there. Well, I want to give you guys an update. Today, we went over there and we spent about, say, that'd be about 5 to 6 hours. And guess what happened is they damaged all the boxes. There was like about 6, 7, and they damaged my my back paint. I put all my movies in there, and they damaged the back side, like right here. I'm like, oh, give me. This is a ripoff. So I had to take a picture, send it to my mom, and her report, and because that's all my freaking movies was. And I'm very pissed off about this truck driver because they damaged my thing. So now I'm gonna have to replace a new one. So, so what happened is, guys, we went down there, and he's injured. She was real nice. She was real nice. I was just being nice to her the whole time, and guys, I don't know how to spread this. Like, what happened is, um, bad news is, I did talk to her, and she said that that bank owns the mobile home house. I'm only gonna stay there for 30 days, only 30 days, and here's the big problem. They say that Tony, he talked to me today, and he said that, well, if this bank deny it, then we're gonna have to go back and hire a new truck and get all the boxes out there, and then find somewhere we'll live. Because the problems like they're gonna think they want money. They want more money, and I think that's stupid. Stupid. So I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen, guys. I don't know what's gonna happen. Uh, I don't know what's gonna happen. So drive to this channel. You like this channel, not, and just I don't know what's gonna happen. So I'll give you guys an update sometime tomorrow. I'm ready to take a nap, and if you like this channel, not, I guess I'll see you sometime tomorrow. All right.